grow the best tasting tomatoes on the block. Here's today's gardening tip.
It's that time of year to start planting our tomatoes. And who doesn't love a fresh garden tomato? They're the best. When you go to the nursery though, you're gonna buy a transplant. And bigger is not better. Normally with our tomato transplants, we don't want them in bloom. We want them a little bit smaller because they'll establish a little bit better. We'll bring it home, and then we're gonna plant it a little bit deeper than we do our other transplants and our other plants. So we're gonna plant it right up to about the first leaf. Let's get it out of there. We're gonna stick it in the ground, cover it up. Look at that. A little bit deeper than we normally would, but everywhere where that stem hits the soil, it's gonna root out. And then we're gonna go about 3 or 4 inches to the side of that to help it grow a little bit. Throw a little bit of fertilizer in there, cover it up. The roots are gonna find that pretty soon. In about 2 or 3 months, we're gonna be enjoying our first BLT of the season.